So Ellie comes to me today and says, "Hey Kelly, what is that da-da-da-da-da noise being on TV?" I'm like, "What?" I walk in the other room and it's the emergency weather thing telling me that there's a bad storm coming. And the storm comes and goes in like 15 minutes, but it blows the power out for a couple of hours. Oh.
Okay, deal with this.
Alright, let's see what we can get here. Oh, why not? Yeah, well, this works. That's not too bad, actually. Yay, power's back on. Woohoo!
There you go, yes!
Nope, missed it.
Sorry.
That's right.
All the neighbors laughed. I told Elliot, I said, you weren't wishing hard enough. Because on the way back I said, wish, lights are back on. And then, so I told her, you're not wishing hard enough. So she starts pacing backwards and forwards, lights come on.
Cool. You wished hard enough. Yay, thank you.